Okay, good afternoon all. So just we'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Let others also join the class. Good afternoon, Mahi Roy. Just we'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. After that, we'll start our class. Okay. So already we are completed your term one syllabus. So your term one syllabus is from chapter 1 to chapter 11. Chapter 1 to chapter 11. So this is your term 1 syllabus. I think today you will be getting the syllabus. So I think your class teacher is going to post the syllabus of all the subjects. So from there also you can see we are given the pattern of the question paper, and also I given the syllabus. Chapter 1 to chapter 11. Okay. So today onwards we start doing the revision of these chapters. So first two chapters, anyhow, the first chapter is review of numbers up to 999, and next we are having 4-digit numbers. So these two chapters are almost similar. Okay. So these two chapters will cover together. So in this chapter, first what you are having the questions of writing the numbers in expanded form and short form. Okay. So first we are having writing the numbers in expanded form and short form. Okay. So suppose if they are given 4038. This 4038, if you want to write it in expanded form, how you are going to write it? 4000 plus 0 plus 30 plus 8. So in expanded form, you can write like this. According to the places, you can write 4000 plus 0 plus 30 plus 8. Okay. So same way, if you are asking you to write it in short form, what will happen? They will be given in expanded form. That you have to write it in short form, and that questions are very easy. So after this expanded form and short form, next you are having about writing the number name. Number name already you are learned in second class, and this year also you are learned. Whenever you are writing the number name, please check the spelling of the numbers whatever you are writing. And in textbook also they are given some numbers. Write the number name, and also they are given in figures. They are asking you to write it in numbers. So those questions just check it out. And after that, you are having patterns count backward and forward. Counting the numbers backward and counting the numbers forward. And again, you are having some pattern in this chapter. In both the chapter number 1 and chapter number 2, both together we are discussing. Okay. So next we are having the predecessor and successor. Predecessors and successor. So what is the meaning of predecessor? All of you write. What is the meaning of predecessor? How to find the predecessor of a given number? कैसे पता कर सकते हैं? Write it in the comment section. Good afternoon all. What is the meaning of predecessor? How we can find the predecessor of a given number? Very good, Sparsh. It is before number. Okay, predecessor is nothing. पीछे वाला number, that is before number. Syllabus chapter number 1 to 11 is the syllabus. Anyhow, that you will be getting from your class teachers also. Your class teachers will be posting the syllabus of all the chapters. So predecessor is nothing but before number. Before number of previous number. Okay. Attendance link, this Vivek Kagde. Just now they are joined and they are asking for attendance link. So let's take some numbers and try to find the predecessor of that numbers. Find the predecessor of 5460. Find the predecessor of 5460. All of you find it and write your answers in the comment section. So what is the predecessor of 5460? Okay, very good. So predecessor is nothing but previous number. So predecessor of 5460 will be 5459. Similarly, if you take one more example, 799. What is the predecessor of 799? All of you write it. So again we are having two different answers here. Some are writing 800, some are writing 798. So let's see what is the correct answer for this question. 799 is there. Predecessor means what? Previous number, before number. So what is the before number? Previous number of 799 is 798. Most of the students what they will think in exam also 799 is there. Previous number they will write it as 800. So that will be okay. So after predecessor, next we are having successor. And what is the meaning of successor? Predecessors and successor. Obviously, successor means after number. So predecessor is before number. This is after number. So after numbers is called as successor. Okay. So let's take one or two questions of successor also. Let's take. Write the successor of 468. Right? The successor of 468. 468 is there. Very good. Successor is 469. Write the successor of 999. Write the successor of 999. So very good. After number of 999 is 1000. Okay. So after this successor and predecessor, next we are having the place values of each digit. So the digits will be given. You have to write the place value of those digits. Okay. Right. The place value of each digit. So write the place value of each digit. So let's take the first question. 6431. Now you have to take each digit and you have to write the place value of each digit. How many digits are there? Total 4 digits are there. 6, 4, 3, 1. So for in each digit you have to write the place value. So what is the place value of first digit? That is 6. What is the place value of 6? We are asking the place value. So the first digit is 6. The place value of 6 is 6,000. It is 6,000, not 1,000. Don't write the. It is in which place? Okay. 6,000 and 4 place value is 400 and 3 is there in tens place. Then its place value will be 30 and 1 is there in ones place. Its place value will be 1. Okay. So it is very easy. Just जैसे आपने expanded form में लिख रहे थे, that only you have to use here, and using that you have to write the place value of each digit. Okay. So after place value, next we are having comparison. Comparison of numbers. Comparison of number is nothing but which one is greater and which one is smaller. The numbers will be two numbers will be given, and that two numbers you have to compare and write greater than symbol, smaller than symbol, or is equal to symbol. Okay. So use greater than, smaller than, or is equal to. So let's take some number. 6,431, 6,413. So now you tell me which symbol we have to write here. We have to use which symbol here. So Riyansh has given greater than. Okay. So don't write the number. See, in exam also some people what they are doing, they are writing the bigger number. That is wrong. If you are writing the bigger number, you will not get any marks. What is the question here? The question is, we have to use this symbol. They are not asking you to write the bigger number. Then what should be your answer? Either your answer should be greater than, or it should be smaller than, or it should be equal. Don't write the bigger number. If you are writing bigger number, you will not get any marks. So this number is greater here. Which symbol you have to use here? You have to write the symbol. Which symbol you have to use here? This symbol. And the name of the symbol is greater than. So don't write the number which is greater. Let's take one more. 10,813, 10,188. So all of you tell me which symbol I have to use for the second one. So again for the second one, we have to use which symbol? Greater than. Because here we are having 1 and here also we are having 1. 0, 0. Next we are having 8, but here we are having 1. So obviously this number is greater than. So first, whenever we are comparing any numbers, first you have to look for the digits. How many digits are there? Here 5 digits are there, here also 5 digits are there. If we are having same number of digits, then start comparing the digits. So here 1 is there, 1, next 0, 0, next 8 is there, here 1 is there. So obviously 8 is greater. पहले कितना digits है उसको देखना है. And if you are having more number of digits, obviously that number is greater. अगर ज़्यादा digits है जो, obviously that number will be greater. Okay. So now let's take the next type of questions, that is arranging the numbers in ascending order and descending order. Okay, only last two topics are left out from chapter number 1 and chapter number 2, because chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 both are having similar questions. Okay, दोनों में same type of questions are there. Fine. So if you are doing chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 also is having same number of same type of questions. So now let's go to the next topic, that is arranging the numbers in ascending order and descending order. Let's take some questions now. arrange the following numbers in ascending order. So you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. So let's take the numbers. So these are the numbers. All of you arrange these numbers in ascending order. You have to arrange in ascending order. So if you want to arrange the numbers in ascending order, how we have to arrange? Do we have to arrange it from smaller to bigger or bigger to smaller? Start 6, okay. In ascending order, how we have to arrange the numbers, smaller to bigger or bigger to smaller? Bigger to smaller. Real she's telling bigger to smaller. See, ascending order. Ascending order means it is we have to arrange the numbers from smaller to bigger. छोटा नंबर से लेके बड़ा नंबर तक अरेंज करना है, not from bigger to smaller. So in case of ascending order, we have to arrange the numbers from smaller to bigger. Smaller number से बड़ा number तक arrange करना है. Okay. So it is smaller to bigger, very good. So now identify the smaller numbers. Which one is the smallest number here? 1683. 1683 will come first. Next, this number 1863. Next, we are having 6183, and at last 8316. In case of ascending order, we have to arrange the numbers from smaller to bigger. Let's go to the next question, question number 2. So all of you do this question now. Do the next question. So all of you do the next question now. Do the next one. Write your answers. So obviously, this is the smallest one, 1680. After this, we are having 8161. And at last, what we are having? These two numbers. So among these two numbers, this number is smaller. Okay, 11,061, and this is the greatest number, that is 11,610. So this is the ascending order of the given numbers. And if they ask you to write in descending order में क्या करना है? We have to arrange the numbers from bigger to smaller. बड़ा number से छोटा number तक लिखना है. Just reverse of this. Okay. So just give me a minute. Okay, sorry. So if they are asking you to arrange in descending order, Just you have to do it opposite of this. You have to arrange the numbers from bigger to smaller. So let's go to the last topic, that is formation of numbers. Digits will be given. Using the digits, we have to make the numbers. You have to form the numbers. They may ask to form 3-digit number. They may ask you to form 4-digit numbers. Okay. So the digits will be given. Using the digits, you have to make the numbers. Okay. So make smallest and greatest 4-digit. So look at the question here. They are asking to make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number. Some people, whenever zero is there, while making greatest number, they'll while making smallest number, they will make mistake. Okay, there you have to be very careful. So make smallest and greatest 4-digit number using the given digits. The first question is 7518. So you have to make greatest number also, you have to make smallest number also. So digits they are given that 7518. Use these digits and make smallest number and greatest number. Gn is greatest number, Sn is smallest number. Okay. So make both the numbers, greatest number also and smallest number also. So already Riyansh has given the answer. Let's wait for others. Okay. See, when we are making greatest number, you have to use numbers, bigger numbers first. So what is the bigger number here? 8. 8, then 7, next 5, 1. 8751. 8751 is the greatest number. उससे और बड़ा number बना नहीं सकते. And if you want to write the smallest number, just you write from back side. So 1, 5, 7, 8. Okay, now you use these digits. 3069 are the digits. Make both greatest number and smallest number. And when you are making numbers, some students they are putting comma in between the numbers. Why you are putting the commas in between numbers? Numbers they will not be having commas. And even if you are putting the commas, according to the places you have to put the commas. 1000 के बाद एक comma आता है, lakh के पहले एक comma आता है. Like that you have to put. Don't put comma after each number. You are writing the numbers, don't put the commas. So commas will not come. It is a number. So now you make the numbers, greatest number and smallest number. The digits are 3069. And when you are making the numbers, you have to be very careful. They are asking you to make 4-digit number. Okay. So greatest number and smallest number. So obviously greatest number you have to start from bigger number to smaller number. So what is the bigger number here? 9, next 6, and next we are having 3, and at last we are having 0. 9630 is the greatest number. And if you want to write the smallest number, can I take it from last number 0? Can I start with 0? No. If you are starting with 0, what will happen? It will become 3-digit number. What you will get? 369. 369 is a 3-digit number, not 4-digit number. So that's why what you have to do here, we have to start with the next number after 0. Right? 3, then you put 0 and next 6 and 9. So whenever you are having 0, in that case you have to take the next number, then you put 0 and write the next remaining numbers. 3069 is the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, using the given digits. So only these things are there in the chapters. All of you revise this chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. Both are having similar questions. In chapter number 1 you are having up to 3 digit numbers, and in chapter number 2 you are having up to 4 digit numbers. And both the chapters are having same similar type of questions. Okay. So all of you study, revise the two chapters. Now I'll be giving attendance link. Till then, if anybody has any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, mark your attendance, and after that, you may leave the class. Just wait for a minute. I'll give the attendance link. No doubt. Very good. Okay. And start revising the chapters. All the chapters. I have given the attendance link. All of you mark your attendance. If somebody is not able to open the link, write your name, section, roll number in the comment section. I'll mark it. After marking, you can leave the class. And some people they may not be able to comment. जिसको कमेंट ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द चैनल देन यू कैन एबल टू कमेंट इट click on subscribe and after that you can comment your write your comments. Done. Okay, if anybody is not able to open the link, so write your name, section, roll number. I will mark it. Okay. Okay. Okay, then thank you all. Have a nice day.